What if your business could generate more cash over the next 6 months without dramatically increasing sales? In this video, you will learn a practical 6-month plan to increase cash flow in your small business by improving collections, reducing cash leaks, optimizing expenses, and building stronger financial systems. Phase 1. Immediate stabilization. Months 1 and 2. The first 2 months are all about stopping cash leaks and bringing money into the business as quickly as possible. Before you think about growth, you need to strengthen your current financial position. Start by conducting a complete expense audit. Review every recurring payment leaving your business account. Look for software subscriptions that are rarely used, memberships that no longer provide value, and marketing campaigns that are not producing measurable results. Many businesses spend money automatically every month without realizing how much those expenses add up over time. Eliminating unnecessary costs can create immediate improvements in cash flow without increasing sales. Next, focus on collecting money faster. Many small businesses wait too long to invoice customers, creating unnecessary delays in receiving cash. Send invoices immediately after delivering a product or service. If possible, encourage faster payments by offering a small discount for customers who pay early. For larger projects, consider requesting a deposit before work begins or using milestone billing throughout the project. This reduces the amount of money tied up in unpaid work and improves your cash position throughout the month. Digital payment systems can also make a significant difference. The easier it is for customers to pay, the faster you will receive funds. Online payment portals, digital invoices, and automated payment reminders help eliminate delays and reduce collection efforts. Finally, review your inventory. If products have been sitting on shelves for months without selling, they are consuming valuable working capital. Consider running promotions or special offers to convert slow-moving inventory into cash. The goal during these first 2 months is simple: reduce unnecessary spending, accelerate collections, and free up cash that is already trapped within the business. Phase 2. Structural optimization, months 3 and 4. Once your cash position begins to stabilize, it is time to improve the systems that control how money flows through the business. During month 3, focus on managing your outgoing payments more strategically. Many business owners pay suppliers as soon as invoices arrive. While paying on time is important, paying earlier than required can create unnecessary pressure on cash flow. Review your vendor agreements and take full advantage of available payment terms. If suppliers allow 30 days to pay, use those 30 days wisely. If possible, negotiate longer payment terms that better align with your customer payment cycle. Vendor relationships play a major role in cash flow management. Open communication can often lead to flexible arrangements that benefit both parties. Suppliers generally prefer a reliable customer who communicates proactively rather than one who suddenly struggles to make payments. Building strong vendor relationships can provide valuable financial flexibility during challenging periods. This is also the time to evaluate spending categories throughout your business. Separate expenses into 2 groups. The first group includes business-critical expenses such as payroll, rent, insurance, and essential operating costs. The second group includes flexible expenses that can be adjusted when needed. Understanding this distinction allows you to make smarter financial decisions when cash becomes tight. By prioritizing critical expenses, you ensure that core business operations remain stable while maintaining greater control over discretionary spending. During month 4, focus on improving visibility and control over your financial information. Many cash flow problems occur simply because business owners do not have accurate, up-to-date financial data. If your bookkeeping is delayed or incomplete, it becomes difficult to identify problems before they become serious. Implement accounting software or optimize the systems you already use. Modern accounting tools can automatically track income, expenses, invoices, and cash balances in real time. Instead of guessing where your money is going, you gain a clear picture of your financial position every day. This visibility allows you to make faster and better decisions. Develop a habit of reviewing financial reports regularly. Monitor cash inflows, cash outflows, outstanding invoices, and upcoming obligations. Look for patterns that affect your cash position. For example, you may discover seasonal trends, recurring slow payment customers, or specific expense categories that consistently exceed expectations. Small improvements made repeatedly can have a significant impact on overall cash flow. Operational efficiency should also be a priority during this phase. Review internal processes and identify activities that consume excessive time, labor, or resources. Streamlining workflows can reduce costs while improving productivity. Businesses that operate efficiently generally generate stronger cash flow because less money is wasted on unnecessary processes. By the end of month 4, you should have better financial visibility, stronger controls, and a more efficient operating structure. Phase 3: Forecasting and Reserves, months 5 and 6. The final phase focuses on creating long-term financial resilience. Instead of reacting to cash shortages after they occur, you will begin planning ahead. One of the most important goals during months 5 and 6 is building a cash reserve. Every business experiences unexpected expenses, economic slowdowns, delayed customer payments, or temporary declines in sales. Without reserves, even small disruptions can create major financial stress. Start setting aside a percentage of profits into a dedicated reserve account. Treat this account as a financial safety net rather than money available for everyday spending. Over time, work toward building enough reserves to cover several months of essential operating expenses. Having a cash cushion provides confidence, flexibility, and stability during uncertain periods. Another important step is establishing access to additional funding before you actually need it. Consider applying for a business line of credit while your financial position is healthy. Financial institutions are generally more willing to provide financing when businesses demonstrate strong performance and stable cash flow. A revolving credit facility can serve as a backup source of liquidity during seasonal fluctuations or unexpected emergencies. Finally, create a rolling 6-month cash flow forecast. This forecast should project expected cash inflows and outflows over the coming months. Update it regularly and review multiple scenarios, including expected outcomes, optimistic outcomes, and challenging outcomes. Forecasting allows you to identify potential problems early and make adjustments before cash shortages occur. Instead of being surprised by financial challenges, you become prepared for them. A strong forecast transforms cash flow management from a reactive process into a proactive strategy. You gain the ability to make informed decisions, plan investments, manage growth, and navigate uncertainty with greater confidence. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.